Hello cruisers, welcome back to Prescribed Adventures. Today we are at Tampa and we're about to board Enchantment of the Sea. So come with us and we'll show you all the sweet check-in that Tampa has to offer. Alright, so the parking garage is across the street from the terminal and we're going to cross Channelside Drive right here and head inside. And let's see, the suite line is over here on the right hand side. Sorry the camera's a little low, but I'm trying to keep it a little incognito because from what I hear you're not supposed to be recording going through this Tampa terminal for some reason. They say it's a federal building, even though I thought all terminals were a federal building. But anyway, we're going to go inside and we're going to see what we can see. And this is what we're looking for here. We want to go through the suite line because we are staying in an owner suite on this Enchantment of the Seas cruise. So we're going to stick. Like I said, I'm trying to keep the camera down a little bit, so don't mind the bad angles. Keep with us. We'll see if anybody says anything. I guess they don't care. Hopefully not. Just let you in. They'll let anybody in. Good morning. Good morning.
Maybe it's the color.
I thought the color was our Diamond Plus was purple.
There we go. Face forward. We don't do that. Oh, we do that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Does it matter?
That's a date.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good. How are you? Excellent.
Hello, welcome. I believe you are joining us.
So these are the regular rooms and we're going through the suites, so we'll see you on the other side.
If we have any open
I'm sorry, but they don't allow any filming while you're inside the terminal.
Okay, I'll turn it off. Actually, I won't, but we're going to see what we can get away with. We got a little employee training going on right here, which is okay. And everybody will learn how to do it the right way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful time.
So right here, if you're in a suite, this is the suite lounge area. And here they have some refreshments for you. But since the ship is clear, they said, we can go straight on. And it took all the way till us getting to check-in for somebody to tell me to turn the camera off. But we are rebels without a cause. So
No, just you.
just me? Okay.
I follow rules.
Welcome aboard. Thank you. Here's where you take your before the ship picture of the ship. But we're going to skip that.
Here we are.
And then we got one more scan before we get on the ship. Unfortunately, for this part, they don't have a suite only. Oh, we found an opening.
Landon, wait.
Thank you. Smells like wet dog.
It's all good, buddy. It's all good. That's why we got sugar bone.
This other escalator over here on the right should be for suite guests going up instead of having to.
Well, the version we checked earlier, you just walk up. Correct. No, in Tampa,
And for this one, we walk it down.
it was terrible. This
This is very different.
It was terrible.
So the other ports were walking up, up,
No,
up.
there was 3. It was Terminal 3, not 2. Go to Paradise.
Are they going to check us again?
It wasn't good.
I don't think so.
I'm like, what ship did we go on?
No,
Check
your wife
this
said
out.
if you knock that out.
Was it Vision or Voyager or
That's right. We were walking ship. We gotta
Radiance?
I don't remember.
Oh, watch ahead.
Yep. Bang. So we got to go.
I didn't go.
Is it on this side?
What's that? Where's ours?
Deck 5.
Hi, how are
Hi.
you?
Towards the front of the ship.
Deck number 5.
Yeah, bye.
One up. Just one up. You can use staircases and the elevators.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Is it the steps or the elevators?
Take the steps.
I took it a few days ago and it's messed up.
So these older ships have the Centrium, however you want to say it. Number 2.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't go. Okay, day 9. Raffle cards for the spa is at 4:30 today, day 9.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome
Hello.
aboard. Welcome. And down to the steakhouse on board. Yes, already got it. All right, very good. Yeah.
I'll meet y'all at 8.
So we gotta go all the way to the front of the ship because our cabin is all the way in the front of the ship.
All right, thank you.
Hi.
Number 2. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi.
How are you?
I am good. How are you, honey?
Good, Jana. Next one.
Yep.
Oh, good. You've watched the video. Nice and
Yes.
easy for
Yes.
me. Yeah, so just so you're aware, we'll do the emergency signal today at 2 o'clock, around about that time anyway. You don't need to come to your muster, okay?
Okay.
Is this on? Do I look good?
Yes, you look great.
Mwah.
Scotland.
All the way from Scotland.
Scotland,
Yes.
All right. Thank
you
you.
so
Take care.
much.
Have a good cruise, okay?
Thank you.
All right. So what time is it? It is 11:40.
11:39. Yes.
So we got you said we have 12 o'clock.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank
ladies.
you.
See you guys later.
Bye.
We get some American art.
We could. The Blob. Oh, there's your olive guy that you love.
Yeah, we not.
No?
We're not doing the olive.
You love the olive guy. Look.
No.
The olive painter. No.
You know what? Are they drinking a martini?
They are. Of course they are. That's
Oh,
the whole olive point.
When did they put that in?
What?
The Coke machine. Did they always
It wasn't
have that?
there?
I don't remember the old ships having the Coke machines.
I thought this one did the last time.
You know me. I don't
But
remember.
since we have a package, we get a cup.
Oh, we do.
Yes, we get a cup.
Did we get rid of all the cups that we have that we didn't use?
I was going to use some for display.
Oh, that'd be nice. Okay.
You know. Next cruise.
Get out of her bath.
Huh?
Get out of her bath. Beautiful day.
The ship has a library area. Give a book, take a book type thing.
Oh, Sidney Sheldon. I read that. Windmills of the Gods. My mother used to love Sidney Sheldon books.
So, are we ready to eat? Because I'm hungry. And it looks like they're empty. So,
Looks like this ship is empty. Where's everybody? They working today and coming later?
could be.
Or is this it? I wouldn't mind if this is it.
And I think this is sold out.
You think or you know?
I think. I didn't check because there was nowhere for us to go but up into the Royal Suite.
Mm-hmm.
And I did put a Royal Up bid for it. And I got the email last night that we didn't get it. No.
Well, what was our bid?
Like $100-something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like $12. Yeah.
So I thought we were going into Chops Grille. Okay, so I'm always trying to get some footage.
No, but you went up.
Yes, because I wanted the Chops sign.
Oh, because you're trying not to get my head in it again?
Yes, because here it is again.
What's wrong with the back of my head?
Nothing, it looks beautiful.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Good, how are you?
Wow, we beat the crowd, huh?
We have lunch at noon.
Yeah, we are not yet open.
Delete it out like it should have.
Oh, why do you say that?
Because he's seeing that just the
It's
one.
not on our thing.
Alright, let's check out this menu. We're probably going to go with the usuals. And of course, we went with the shrimp cocktail to start with. And Natasha got the grilled chicken Caesar salad. And I got the burger. Go.
Back, left, right, and towards the front, I think.
We are here.
We're here. And then we go up to 8. And we go all the way to the front of the ship. So let's go. Or ours will probably be in the front of the ship. All right, folks. Well, that was boarding day here on Royal Caribbean's Enchantment of the Seas in the Terminal 2, if I remember correctly. Terminal 2 here in Tampa, Florida. And we're going to go check out our owner's suite. And you can check out this video right here. Thank you for watching. Drop us a like. So please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.